Om Shanti, very good morning. Today's English Mulli, that is 4th October 2020. Revised date is 29 March 1986. Bap Dada's heart to heart conversation with double foreigner children. The heading is Bap Dada's heart to heart conversation with double foreigner children. Today, Bab Dada emerged all the double foreigner children from everywhere into the subtle region and saw the specialities of all the children. All of you children are special soul, which is why you now belongs to the Father. That is, you have become those with elevated fortune. All of you are special, but nevertheless, you would still be said to be number wise. So today, Bab Dada was especially seeing the double foreigner children, whilst coming from different custom, system, and beliefs. You have come to accept in a short time one belief and to follow the direction of one. Bab Dada is especially seeing two specialities in the majority of you children. First is that you very quickly become bound by the relationship of love. The relationship of love has helped you very much in belonging to the godly family and to the Father. So, first is the speciality of becoming loving, and secondly, because of love, you easily put the power of transformation into your practical lives. You are moving forward very well with love for self transformation, and along with that, the transformation of those like you. You have imbibed the specialities of both the power of love and the power of transformation with courage and are showing the proof of that very well. Two things all specialities all have. Number one, power of love. Number two, the power of transformation with courage. Today, Bap and Dada had a conversation between themselves in the subtle region about the specialities of the children. Now this year's season of Abhyakt meeting in the Vyakt form means incorporeal form. Incorporeal meeting in the corporeal form. And the Mela, the gathering of meetings, is coming to an end. So Bap Dada was seeing everyone's result. Generally, there is a constant meeting in the Abhyakt form with the Abhyakt stays anyway, and it will always be there. However, the times for meeting in the corporeal form have to be fixed, and the limitation of time have to be considered for this. There are no limitation of time in meeting in the Abhyakt form. Each one of you can celebrate a meeting for as long as you want. By experiencing Abhyakt power, you can make yourself and service constantly move forward. Nevertheless, according to the fixed time, although this year's season is now coming to an end, you are not coming to an end, but you are becoming complete. To meet means to become complete. You are becoming equal, are you not? So it is not the end. Although the time of the season is coming to an end, you yourself have become equal and complete. And this is why Bap Dada was very pleased to bring all the double foreigner children from everywhere into the subtle region. Some can come in the corporeal form, whereas others cannot. This is why you send your photos or your letters. However, Bap Dada can easily make a gathering from everywhere. Emerge in the Abhyakt form. If everyone were invited to come and stay here, all the facilities for everyone to stay here would be needed in the Abhyakt region. There is no need for all those physical facilities. If you were there together, not the double foreigner children only, but even the children from the whole of the Bharat, it would feel like an unlimited Abhyakt region. No matter how many hundreds of thousands are there, it would still seem as though you are only seeing a small gathering. So today, Baba only emerged the double foreigner in the subtle region. Bab Dada was seeing that although you have different custom and different system, you have progressed very well with your determined thought. The majority of you are moving along with zeal and enthusiasm. Of course, there are still some who will always show their games, but the result Baba saw was that you used to be a lot more confused until last year. However, in this year result, Baba saw that many children were stronger now than they were last year. Bab Dada still saw some children who saw him their game. You still play games of being confused, do you not? If you were to take a video at that time and then sit and watch it, you would feel as if it were a drama. However, it is different from before. Now those who have become experienced are also becoming mature. So Baba saw in the result that your love for the study and enthusiasm for remembrance easily transform the different custom, system and belief. For the people of Bharat, transformation is easy. They know the deities and they have mixed knowledge of the scripture, and so the beliefs are not that new for the people of Bharat. After all, out of all the children everywhere, Baba saw souls whose intellect had such faith that they were unshakable and immovable. Those whose intellect have such faith also become example to enable others to have intellect with such faith. Whilst living at home with your families, you transform your vision and attitude with your powerful thought. Baba saw such special jewels, even those children who are previously completely engrossed in their temporary facilities and temporary happiness, according to their own custom, etc., are now moving along in the line of intense effort maker and are constantly bringing about transformation day and night. Even if there are not that many, they are still good. Bab Dada gives the example of Jhatku. Those who perform a sacrifice with one strike is known as Jhatku. In the same way, after your mind has thought about renunciation, your vision is not drawn back. There were still such ones. Today, Baba was looking at the total result. Whilst looking at the powerful souls, Bap and Dada smiled and had a heart-to-heart conversation about how two types of Brahma's creation are remembered. First are the Brahmin that have emerged from the mouth of Brahma. The other creation is the world that Brahma created with his thoughts. Father Brahma had elevated powerful thought for such a long time. Although there are both Bap and Dada, the creation would not be called the creation of Shiva. You are called the dynast of Shiva. You are not called Shiv Kumar and Shiv Kumaris. You are called Brahma Kumar and Brahma Kumaris. So, Brahma especially invoked you with elevated thoughts. That is, he created creation. So, you have arrived here in corporeal form through the invocation of powerful thoughts of Father Brahma. The creation of thought is no less. The thoughts had to be powerful because the children had to be brought from far away into his family from behind the different curtains. Such elevated, powerful thoughts inspired you and brought you close. Therefore, this creation made through powerful thoughts is also powerful. Many of you had the experience of someone especially inspiring your intellect and bringing you close because of the powerful thoughts of Brahma. As soon as you see the picture of Brahma, you experience it to be alive. You are moving forwarded by experiencing a living relationship. So Bab Dada was pleased to see the creation. You will now continue to give the practical proof of an even more powerful creation. In terms of the time of double foreigner service, the time of childhood is now over. It is now time to become experienced and to make others unshakable and immovable, and to give others an experience. The time for playing games is now over. Now be constantly powerful and continue to make weak souls too powerful. If you have sanskar of weakness, you will make others weak too. There is little time and the maximum creation is going to come. Do not be happy with just this quantity, thinking that there are now many are remaining. The quantity is now only going to increase. However, the time you have been taking and the method of your sustenance are now going to change. Today blessing. While you are receiving the blessing, put your hand on your above your head. Visualize that Bap Dada is giving you blessing. May you be an easy effort maker who makes the atmosphere spiritual with your elevated stage in spirituality. Okay, you tell with me. May you be an easy effort maker who makes the atmosphere spiritual with your elevated stage of spirituality. Explanation. With your stage of spirituality, make the atmosphere at your service place spiritual so that there can easily be progress for yourself and for the soul who are to come. This is because all of those who come are tired of the atmosphere outside and they need extra cooperation. Therefore, give them the cooperation of a spiritual atmosphere. Let each soul who comes experience it to be a place where they can easily make progress. Today's slogan: become a bestower of blessing and continue to give blessings of good wishes and fear feeling. You become a bestower of blessing. आशीर्वाद की दाता बनो and continue to give blessing of good wishes and fear feeling. Om Shanti. Have a good day. God bless you.